Sometimes your design requires layers to be sewn together before you actually put the seams together. For instance, I want to lay this green eyelet on top of a satin before I sew it together to make a corset. I start by pinning the fabrics together, both with right side up. Depending on the complexity of the pieces, you can either just pin at the corners or pin at the notches for extra security. When you take it to the machine, be sure to use your largest stitch length and to use a straight stitch. Don't backstitch. Placing the threads to the back, I lift up my foot in preparation to start sewing. Every fabric behaves differently. They stretch differently. They're fed into the machine differently. So when I sew two fabrics that are different together, I prefer to put the fabric that's most stretchiest on the bottom. Even if there's no spandex in fabric, the fabrics still have a little bit of a bounce back and a natural stretch. You'll want the feed dogs to help absorb some of that stretchiness when you're sewing. I put the foot down and sew a couple of stitches and remove the security pin I have before I continue. You'll notice I didn't backstitch because when I base stitch layers together, I don't want to backstitch in case there's a little bit of rippling that needs to be ironed out. Be sure to stitch all the way around, however. Once I've gone all around, I clip my threads and check the seams. If all looks good, I take it to the iron to press out any wrinkles that may have appeared.